soothe your pain.
Do you personally do drugs at raves? Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna be doing a 1 hour or maybe 2 hours depending on how long it takes transforming video. I've seen these going around on YouTube. I've been watching like all of them and I was like, I kind of want to do one, so we're gonna do one, but I'm gonna do my own little spin. Ew. I'm gonna be doing like rave slash festival edition, you know? If you guys follow me on like Instagram, Snap, literally any social media, you guys know that I love going to raves and festivals, so I thought this would be the perfect fit, so we're gonna do that. The weird thing is I'm not going to a festival or rave after this. I'm just gonna be all decked out in this, so it's okay. I literally look like a troll right now. Be sure to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications. It's just that little bell thing to be notified when I upload a new video. So we have a lot to do because my hair looks like a witch. Also, throughout this video, I'm gonna be answering questions that you guys sent me. I asked you guys on Instagram and on Twitter. If you guys have any questions about like the rave world or festivals and all that stuff, I got a lot of questions about like drugs and like drinking and all that. I'm not really surprised because I feel like a lot of people just think of like the rave community as like drugs, drinking, like being super fucked up, which is not the case. We'll get into that and like my experiences. Really excited because I promised myself that I would start doing videos that like, how do I explain it? I like really enjoy making, if that makes sense, because I feel like my videos now are just stuck in 2016. I'm not the only one that's noticed that. Yes, I know. We are gonna branch out this year, and I hope you guys are excited. So let's like, do it. Okay, I'm kind of hot. Let's start with my hair because she is a mess right now. Get out. Oh no. Oh, I look psycho. I'm gonna get into the juicy questions later on in this video when I'm like fully decked out so I can go into it. The first question is list everyone in your rave family. It like depends where the rave is. Oh, I should probably like get ready when I'm doing this. Okay, yeah. Okay, I just put my hair in like a ponytail to separate that because we're gonna deal with that later. I don't even have heat protectant with me. I can't wait to fry my hair. Usually when it's like in a different state, it's always Leilani and Kaden, but our like big rave group is Leilani, Kaden, Cooper, David, John, Nicole, Scotty, Daphne, Boone, Danny, Jessica, Caspin, and Jake. I feel like I'm forgetting someone and I'm so sorry. So whenever I straighten my hair, I always hold my hair in my mouth. Does anyone do that? Or am I just like weird? So I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna be able to talk, so we're just gonna fast mode it. Before, after, troll, icon. Someone says, ever seen someone do something crazy at a rave while obviously being on drugs? I have, and it was really scary. Pretty sure she took something. It was either laced or maybe took too much. I'm not really sure. I hope she's okay because it was really scary. But I saw this girl and she was like on the ground having a seizure. If you decide to do drugs or anything, like it's not worth it. Another question that I got, which is from my friend Kaylee, and she still has yet to go to a festival with me, just saying. She said, what's been your favorite rave of all time? Sincerely, your biggest Ray-Ray-nator. Definitely Base Canyon. That was so much fun. It was in August and it's at the Gorge, which is the prettiest venue. My second favorite was probably Lost Lands, which is in Ohio. Like, what was I doing in Ohio? It was just a very spontaneous trip. We met so many people there. I actually met my boyfriend at Lost Lands. But yeah, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you guys wouldn't know, but I have a boyfriend. His name's Cooper, and you guys will see him. I usually never go up to guys. In this case, I saw him, and he was really freaking cute. I felt ballsy that day, and I ended up going up to him, and now we're dating. So that's cool. Okay, let's finish this side of my hair. That was a workout. My hair is done, finally. After I straighten my hair, I do my makeup, and then I do my glitter, and then I put the green hair in, like the accessories and stuff. Let's answer another question. Someone said, do you have to be a hoe to attend? No. What? That's so rude. Do they end up being expensive or is it reasonable? Some raves and festivals are super expensive, and it depends if you're traveling to one. It could be like $30 to like $600. It depends what rave or festival you're going to. I feel like I'm not the best person to answer this because I would rather spend money on like memories and like all of that instead of like materialistic stuff. So I feel like it's worth it because you meet so many people and like the music and the vibe is good. So I feel like it's reasonable. Someone said, how did you get into raving? Honestly, this sounds so weird, but I feel like my dad got me into raving. When I was younger, he would always play Skrillex in that Call 911 song. Call 911 now! That's when I started liking the music, and then I got into raving. How did I get into raving? My first festival was Coachella 2014 or 2015. I forgot which year, and I just fell in love. Let's do my makeup. Hi, my camera's dying right now, so I'm gonna use this bad boy, and then we'll switch back to this one. Oh wow. Okay, I hope that's not like a huge difference. My camera's charging, and then we'll switch back. But we don't got time to wait, okay? This is the only headband I have to get my hair out of my face. Oh my gosh, I can't. Makeup. For festivals, I don't really do anything crazy for my face. I'm just gonna fast mode me doing my face makeup and eyebrows because I don't really do anything special for that. This is the moisturizer I'm using. I feel like such a beauty guru. Love that. My face and eyebrows done. My eyebrows suck because I suck at doing eyebrows. So depending what color outfit I'm wearing, today I'm wearing green one, so I think I'm gonna do green eyeshadow. I just take, do you guys remember when, oh my gosh, I used to have an addiction. Let me show you. I was obsessed with those like colored palettes, the ones that like have so many colors, like the BH Cosmetics. I broke this one, but these palettes, it's like kind of ridiculous. I'm gonna be taking this palette from CPC, and they have like a really pretty green. As you can tell, I use green a lot. Answer a question while I'm doing this. Do you get slut shamed for going to raves? I do. On some of the comments on my Instagram, I don't really care, to be honest. So when you go to raves, it's literally so hot that you don't want to wear a lot of clothes. I don't understand the logic of people getting slut shamed for an outfit that they're wearing, you know? I don't get it. What do you wear if you're self-conscious about your body going to a rave? That's a good question. I'm not good at multitasking, so I'm gonna try my best. Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay. So before I lost weight, I wasn't super confident with my body. I just wore a bodysuit and then like an oversized t-shirt. Okay, we got green on that side. Cool. Now that we have green eyeshadow on, I'm gonna like fix under my eyes. Also, yes, I know I used the wrong brushes. Now I'm just gonna put some eyeliner on. So exciting. The sun decided to come and play. You can literally see my studio lights. That's not cute. Okay, ignore those. Next, we're gonna take some mascara, put that on our eyelashes. Now I'm taking some Hoola bronzer and I'm just putting it all over my face because I like to look really tan. I usually get a spray tan, but I don't have a spray tan right now, so we'll just pretend. For highlight, I'm taking this, which is the Dermablend Glow Creator Liquid Highlight, and this is in gold. And I'm only putting it on one side of my face because I'm gonna put glitter on this side. Favorite part, I'm taking my MAC Fix Plus Gold Light, and this is just like a setting spray because we need to set our face for this long night. Not like I'm going anywhere. And this has like little sparkles in it. Now my favorite part is the glitter. The best thing to use for glitter is eyelash glue. I literally just take the glue that's in my eyelashes to make sure it sticks on really good. Where's my glitter though? No. Where did she, oh. It comes off really easily at festivals and raves. So little life hack, I usually use hairspray and eyelash glue to make sure it stays on. My favorite glitter is the Gypsy Shrine. Yes. I have a whole bunch of these like rhinestones too. Maybe we'll put one on our face today. I also have these pasties, which are super cute. I'm just gonna take some eyelash glue and it dries really quick, so you're gonna have to do this really fast. So blend that in. Take your finger, put the glitter on. And I use this spray that actually has glitter in it too. Just gonna keep doing that, and let's see what question we have. Someone asked, what is the craziest thing you've seen at a rave? We were on the rail, which is the very front, and we got to the front. I can't believe this happened. She accidentally headbanged her head into the rail, and literally 5 seconds later, she had like an avocado on her head. We had to go to the med tent right away. Her head was like a bubble. I'm pretty sure she got a concussion, so be careful, guys. Do you recommend camping if you have the opportunity? I've camped at, I think, 3 or 4 festivals. Honestly, it's so much fun because you meet a lot of people through camping and all of that, but you do feel gross at the end of the weekend. Like, they have showers, but the lines are so long, so sometimes it's kind of impossible to take a shower. I do recommend. Now I'm just setting all this. Now I think I'm just gonna add these 2 things. Oh, it's crooked. Oh, that is not even. For lips, I'm just gonna be taking these 2 and putting it on my lips. Back to hair. Parting my hair on kind of like this side, middle. I'm gonna braid these 2 pieces, and I suck at braiding, so don't make fun of me. It's probably not gonna even look like a braid. Yeah. Also, ignore my extensions. Like, you can literally see them. That doesn't even look like a braid, but it's okay. I had my friend braid my hair last time I did this hairstyle, so we're failing. We're just gonna put like twisty things, you know? Oh my god, she's so stuck in there. I hate the, oh no, get out of my hair. I'm sweating. I don't want to talk about that. So I have these beads that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna use these silver ones. So we're gonna put that over my extension so you can't really see it. I'm gonna try my best. Ooh, we can put butterflies too. There we go. Okay. Now that I messed up my hair, we're just gonna hairspray it, okay? With our glitter hairspray. This time, let's brush her out. I got these from Amazon, and they're just like clip-in colored hair, and I'm just gonna put them throughout my hair, clip her in. Voila, see, you have green hair now. Sorry if you guys can hear my neighbor. He decided to mow his lawn right now. How do you deal with the negative stereotypes that come with raving? It's kind of annoying because people automatically assume that you do a whole bunch of drugs and just get hammered at raves, which is not true. I'm not stupid. Like, yes, there are people that do drugs at raves. Not everyone does drugs at raves. I feel like a lot of people that go to raves, they go because they like the music and you meet a lot of new people. Oh, why is that one curly? That one's a no. I kind of just ignore it. What do you do when you have your period on a festival? That's happened to me multiple times, and it honestly sucks, but there's, oh. There's nothing that you can really do about it. It does suck when it's like you're in the heat, you're camping, you have your period, like it blows. You'll still have a really good time, but yeah, it really does suck when you have your period at a festival because you don't want to like worry about like changing your tampon or pad. Okay, I'm pretty much done with my hair and makeup. Now I'm gonna change my outfit, and then I'm gonna answer some more juicy questions. I'm pretty much all changed into my rave outfit. With this outfit, I wore this harness, which is from, I think this is from Beginning Boutique, but you can get it from Amazon. Okay, there we go. I feel so weird wearing this in a video, like, hi. Can we just take a moment at the mess that I just made? This is what the final look looks like. Yeah. Oh, you can see the clothes in the back. Hold on, there we go. Not today. Not today. So, oh my god, I'm so emo. Putting this all on, I'm like, I'm ready to go. I hope I don't get flagged. Like, this is still clothes, right? I don't know. These bottoms make your tushy look really good. I don't know how much I can show on YouTube, you know? I'm pretty much wearing these bikini bottoms, which are checkered, and then this bandeau white top, which I think is from Forever 21. And then I got this mesh top from Trendy Wendy, which is like a local rave store in Seattle. I feel like it ties the outfit together. Oh, where's my green hair? There she is. Guys, I have to show you this jacket. I wore this jacket at Snow Club a week ago, and it's so fun. Okay, I'm gonna grab it. It looks like a normal like fur jacket. Hold on. Tell me this isn't the coolest thing. Okay, maybe it's just me, but I think it's so cool. It like lights up. Here, let me put it completely black. Oh my gosh. So now we're gonna get into the juicy questions that you guys have probably been waiting for now that we're all ready. I probably look crazy right now. Like, where am I going? Nowhere. Do you personally do drugs at raves? I do not, but I'm gonna be real with you guys. I do drink at raves, so yeah. I am 21 now, so can you have fun without participating in substance use? Yeah, definitely, yes. Has anyone ever offered you drugs? Yes, they have, and if you get offered anything from anyone, like drink-wise and other things, do not take it. You do not know what's in that. It could be laced with something. They could have put something in it. Just do not take anything from anyone. Do you get overwhelmed / anxious in the crowds? If I do, I just get out of the crowd and drink water and calm myself down. It doesn't really happen that much. Everyone at festivals are super nice and they're not like douchey. How many raves / festivals have you been to? I think I've been to like 15 or 20. Favorite festival outfit? They're always so fun. Thank you. Probably the one that I wore at Lost Lands, and it was like all green, and it's from Doll's Kill. I'm literally obsessed with it. I'll insert a picture. For some reason, whenever I go to festivals, I'm like obsessed with wearing neon green. Don't know why. I just really dig that color. I don't know. What do your parents think of your outfits that are really open? Frick. They honestly don't care that much. I mean, sometimes my dad is like, what are you wearing? Like, you know, my dad doesn't really want to see that. Okay, if you guys see me at a rave or festival or anything, concert, please come up to me. I get so excited when I meet you guys, so if you see me, come up to me. Also, if you see me at festivals, I will definitely trade candy with you, or I'll just give you one because you guys are awesome. I literally have so much. I met my friend Meg at a festival, and she like used to watch me on YouTube, and she gave me these, and I literally cried. Favorite DJs? That's so hard, oh my gosh. I'm into like really hard bass, angry bass. I love that. Off the top of my head, Excision, Midnight Tyrannosaurus, Rez, Troy Boy, Xabor, Hesh, did I say Monks? Monks. Hero Bust, Millennium, that always gets me crying. Trampa, Zomboy, Peekaboo, literally everyone. I don't even know, I can't even choose one, but those are all good. I have a playlist on Spotify if you guys wanna like start listening to EDM. I have like all my favorite songs on there. Fave places to buy festival outfits. Definitely Doll's Kill, Magical Wonderland, Pretty Little Things. Okay, I think that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me transform into like my rave festival gear, I guess you would say. Let me know if you guys want more festival videos because I enjoy filming them, and I know not everyone's gonna like raves and festivals and concerts and all that, but this was just highly requested, so I felt like I should do it, and I had fun. Be sure to thumbs this video up and subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click it. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!